see you, buddy. Long time.
Got it. I'm slowly. You feel the whole thing up?
Defender number 4, Ryan Flood.
Phoenix in Musa, New Zealand international defender.
And he's happy to serve.
Height for a starting 11 that Defiance have ever thrown out there. Definitely get the sense that
is fairly strong with their ball control midfielders.
Flood wins that header. And here for Ryan Flood. Flood looking for the big ball to return it to Solomon Asante.
Used to. They had the right thoughts, and that's the hope here from Wade Weber. Early in this game, 10 minutes in, just to see his players acting as they're supposed to. Than our initial look made us think. Packed. That's to get their numbers behind that ball, and it's to try to force Phoenix.
Falls to Darnell King. Flood puts his foot through it, and that trickled through traffic. Try to catch Phoenix on the counter this evening. Quarter hour gone at Cheney Stadium, 0-0. Flood picks his head up. That drops in. Asante gets a touch to it. Still Asante. Flood has another go. Ricochets and out for a corner.
Still working his way to be in an onside position quite slowly.
Well, he's a player who knows this area of the country real well. In space here, too long for Ryan Flood. Phoenix, Flood's first professional club. Scottsdale, Arizona native, who was playing in the NPSL last year with FC Arizona. Trying to fight off Moar there. Well played by Flood, winning the goal kick. Dave, they've been looking for it. Haven't found it yet. This, a ball up the side for Quinn. Quinn looking for Flood. Strikes his target in the back. Reed Baker Whiting. Reagan. In the end by Farrell. We have seen back passes to keepers really, really not work out on a couple of occasions when Sam Adinerin's the man applying pressure this season, but Farrell didn't leave anything on the bone there. Little back heel there. It is a starting 11 that is designed to win 50-50 balls and second balls. The leave there, Baker Whiting, Adeniran likely offside. Maybe, just maybe, would have been held on.
Make a play that was a lot closer than it needed to be.
One of the things Seattle Sounders general manager really liked about Joe Hafferty. Heavy touch there by Flood, knocked away by Tom Brewitt. This Phoenix side, Dave, impeccable at finding one another in space. Their passing has been locked in through 40 minutes of this contest.
They're always looking up and looking down range. Their preference is to taking one of his incredible shots. That's kind of what Tacoma's hoping for.
Yeah, the big Ryan Flood trying to drop that off from Moar. Darnell King.
I think he had his back turned to one of those blocked shots. Simultaneously fortunate and unfortunate for Sissoko.
Put in a hard shift against Sacramento in that loss on Wednesday. Most of the guys on the bench did, to be honest with you. Villanueva, Robles, Hafferty.
He's putting a lot of faith in the attacking player to keep you safe.
Ryan Flood reaches that ball, cuts it back. Asante spins, and it's blocked by Moar. Flood. There by Mendoza. Now into space for Serrano, and Andre Rawls is going to beat him to that ball. Out.
Cheney Stadium, you'll always see something you haven't seen before.
Moar wants it. It comes his way. Came off his arm, and it is handball. Defiance free kick going out the other way. Ryan Flood went for the ball. Lost it shoulder to shoulder. Tacoma throw. Adeniran lops it into space and nearly tracks it down. And the switch to Flood. Phoenix definitely looking to switch the field more quickly here in this second half, Dave. Moar. His cross. Ryan Flood blocked and a corner. They go quickly. Flood. And another towering header for AR. Flood. More space for a cross. That one not cleared away from Quinn. Seijas.
It's Flood! Giant rebound, put back!